Hello everyone, this is Kate with Scotland Marketing. Today I want to go over with you how to edit your KW agent site homepage from within Command. KW has recently rolled out some new layout options, and I want to take a look at those with you. So the first thing we want to do is log into our Command platform and navigate to our website's applet on the left-hand side of Command. Now, once we are there, we want to go ahead and hit this Edit Agent Site on the main screen. And once we do that and allow this to load, you'll see that we have a preview of our current website, okay? On the left-hand side, we can view the current pages we can edit within Command. And the one here that we can edit is the home page. So I'm gonna go ahead and click that. You'll now see that there is a homepage layout option, okay? And with that being said, there are 3 different layout options available now. If we go ahead and click that, you'll see that we have those 3 different options that we can take a look at. We have the search option, which is going to automatically be the default for your KW site. Now, with that being said, if we preview this layout over here on the right-hand side, you'll see that we have our banner at the top. That's going to allow that search feature for properties. This layout will also include your featured properties next. Your testimonials will then appear after that. It looks like they're not showing in this preview, but your testimonials should appear after your featured properties. And then below that, you will find your blogs. So all those blog articles. So this will be that specific layout. If we move down to the hero layout, you'll see that we have a little bit different of an image. You should have your banner again at the top. You'll have some stats that will pull. Below that, you should be able to find featured links. So as you can see right here, we then have featured properties and testimonials, okay? So that's going to be the new hero option for the layout. Lastly, you have the brand layout, which we can preview as well. And it looks a little bit different too. So we have the banner at the top with the About Us. We have those featured links again. Then we have our stats, featured properties, and lastly, testimonials. Now, when you're taking a look at these, if you were to go ahead and select that layout, I'm going to give it a second to load. And it's just taking its time. There we go. So if we go ahead and select that we want to use this brand, it's going to give us a more clear picture of what our site will look like. It's going to actually start pulling our information versus this preview over here. If we go ahead and hit apply, it will then adjust our website, okay? Page successfully published. We can then come in and take a look at editing these different page sections that I kind of talked about for the different layouts. We can hide information, we can change the button options, all of that good stuff. Of course, we have our banner, our featured links, so you can come in and adjust those. If we go back, we can take a look at those stats. We can adjust those as well. Again, they're pulling down here. So you can remove some of these. You can toggle button on or off. So it's really going to allow you to customize the title, the description, the information that's pulling. If we go back, we can also take a look at those featured properties. We can still adjust our central location, our radius, the price range. Most of these, if you want to make additional adjustments beyond what is available here in Command, you will always want to head into expert mode. So right up here, you can head into expert mode and make additional changes, okay, that are not found here. You can also view the testimonials and change those titles. You'll also notice there's a little eyeball next to each of these. If you don't want one of those to show, you can of course hide it and it will remove that from your homepage, okay? But again, anything beyond what's available here, you would need to go into expert mode to make those changes, okay? So again, if we want to change this again, let's take a look at the hero one. Let's hit select. We'll give it a second to load that. We're going to hit apply. just so we can really take a look at the other layouts too. The search option's been kind of the default for a while, so these are really the new ones. So as you can see, it's still going to give you the option to edit those information that's pulling into that. So all of these stats, families served, closed units, all of that good stuff. Okay, so you can come in and adjust all of those numbers and details, as well as your banner. You can adjust the photo, video, and we do have one that goes over how to add a video there if you're interested, as well as how to update our hero images. Now, once you are fully done with all of your changes, you've selected your layout. I'm going to go back to our default and apply that one. Give it just a second. Apply. Once you're done, you can always, again, view that in the browser to view it on the full scale, like anyone else would that is viewing your website, to make sure that everything is appearing how you want it, and that you like all of the information pulling, okay? So if you're making changes to these, you do want to make sure you hit publish. So any of these little page sections that you make changes to, make sure you hit that publish button in the right-hand corner, okay? That is our tip video for today. If you have any questions at all on this, please reach out to our support email at support@scotlandmarketing.com. We would be happy to help. Have a wonderful day.